Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about Radius, which is a AAA protocol where the user types in the username and password and it is then sent to the Radius client. Then the Radius client needs to authenticate that the credentials are correct, but it does not have the information. So it sends the information to the Radius server and gets the authentication. So this makes the information more secure. Firstly, the user says, I want to log in. Then the client then tells the user that you have to provide the username and password. In step 3, the credentials are sent to the Radius client. After that, the Radius client asks the Radius server if the credentials which are sent by the user are okay. Then the server responds back by saying if the credentials are accepted or rejected. Now I will go to TechRadius manager settings, and over here I will create a loopback address on 127.0.0.1 as I'm going to contact myself. 1812 is the common UDP port for Radius. After that, I have set up the Radius client and the password. Then I had to set up my username and my password. So these are all the key pairs which are possible for the user. These are like the permissions for voice calling, Wi-Fi calling, and etc. So it's running now. Anti-rat ping helps in testing if the client is connected to the server by sending an authentication request. So I have put my username and password correctly. If I send it, it will say access accepted, and if the password is wrong, it will say access reject. Now if I type UDP in the loopback traffic capture of Wireshark, I can see the incoming traffic, and if I go to access request, I can see the my username and my password, which is encrypted. Nowadays, Diameter is used in 3GPP as it uses TCP and SCTP for a reliable transport, and it also supports client initiated messages and a peer-to-peer connection, which makes it more reliable.